Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is 18C690A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Bridgestone Dueler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side. You do have the Z71 off-road package on here. Factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed. You have a GM bed liner in here, keeping the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise as well as audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Dual climate control, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.